I'm gonna do a little tour of our laundry room and tell you where we're at with it at this point. So over the weekend, I emptied everything out except for some laundry, which needs to get out of here. I just want to finish it. Then my husband decided he was going to start the countertop demolishing before I got the laundry out of here, but nonetheless, he stopped because I said, we gotta get the laundry out. Anyways, so what's gonna happen is we were going to put a refrigerator in that corner. However, it turns out that this flagstone flooring, which is 1.5 inches thick, is not under those cabinets. So we cannot reconfigure these cabinets unless we were to find a way to deal with the flooring situation, which we're not going to. So what's gonna happen is these are all gonna be taken off the hinges and rehinged, and we're gonna take all that, this odd wood knobs off, and everything is going to get painted. All of this is going to go. It is an ironing board, so we're going to take that off the wall. No one ever uses that, and we're going to take that off the wall, and because it doesn't work. And so that's going to be wallpapered. All the backsplash will be wallpapered. These wire shelves are coming down and will be replaced with wood open shelves. These cabinets are going to come out and we'll replace it with open shelves. And then this counter is going to be raised to normal counter height. And like I said, we are taking out all of these counters. And so what we're going to do is I already ordered butcher block to put on the top. So I'm pretty excited. I can't believe he started this without me getting the laundry out. And that is a painting from my daughter. I think she was age 11. And I don't know why that's in here. And certainly don't know why he was bashing the counter while that is sitting there. Anyways, so this is the room. And we are going to get started. So the wallpaper has been ordered and the butcher block has been ordered, and there's gonna be a lot of tile bashing this weekend.